Hi, I'm Jen Wilson, founder of Jen Wilson International. With years of experience leading global teams and coaching top-tier entrepreneurs, I'm here to help you cut through the noise, clear the fog, and bring your vision to life. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone in a managerial role, managing up. What does it mean? Why is it important? And how can you do it effectively? Then what's at stake if you don't? Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is managing up? Simply put, managing up is about proactively building positive relationships with your superior. It involves understanding their goals, preferences, and challenges, and aligning your efforts to support them. It's not just about pleasing your boss. It's about creating a partnership that benefits everyone involved. When you manage up effectively, you open communication, you anticipate their needs, and demonstrate that you're not only a capable manager, but also an asset to the entire team. Why is managing up so critical? First, it enhances communication. When you understand your boss's style and expectations, you can tailor your approach, making it easier to convey important information and updates. Second, it boosts collaboration. By positioning yourself as a reliable support for your boss, you foster an environment where ideas can flow freely, and both of you can work towards shared goals. Lastly, effectively managing up can lead to career advancement. When your boss sees you as someone who not only meets expectation, but also drives success, you're more likely to be considered for new opportunities. Ultimately, managing up contributes to a healthier workplace culture and helps your team achieve its objectives. So how do you manage up effectively? Here are some actionable steps. Know your boss's goals. Take the time to understand what your boss wants to achieve. Schedule it through a one-on-one to discuss their priorities and how you can align your work with their objectives. Communicate effectively. Be clear and concise in your communication. Regular updates on projects can help your boss feel informed and in control. Anticipate needs. Try to foresee challenges or needs your boss might encounter. For instance, if you notice a project is falling behind, proactively offer a solution or support. Be solution-oriented. When bringing up issues, always aim to present possible solutions. This shows initiative and reinforces your role as a problem solver. Seek feedback. Ask for feedback regularly. This not only shows your value to your boss's input, but also helps you improve and grow and build trust. Be honest and reliable. Deliver on your commitments and always follow through on your promises. Trust is the foundation in any relationship. So what happens if you neglect to manage up? There are actual risks, and those risks are significant. There can be misalignment. Without effective communication between you and your boss, you might be working towards different goals, leading to confusion and a lot of wasted effort. You actually might receive decreased support. If your boss feels disconnected to your work, you may not receive that support. They won't know what you need. They won't know how to give you the right resources. Then there's career stagnation. Failing to manage up can stall your career growth. If your boss isn't aware of your contribution and the value you bring, they may overlook you for promotions or new opportunities. And then there's team morale. When managers don't engage with their superiors effectively, it can lead to frustration and a lack of trust within the team. This can create negative work environments and impact the overall performance. So managing up is not just about improving your relationship with your boss. It's about fostering a productive work environment and driving your team towards success. By understanding your boss's needs and aligning your efforts with these goals, you not only elevate your own career, but also contribute to an overall health of an organization. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences with managing up. And until next time, keep leading with purpose.